Okay guys, hello, here we are again. So today I will teach you again a very simple way to diagnose a problem. So we can do like DIY. If you have car there having a problem, let's say the problem is rough idling or engine vibration, so there's a lot of parts, okay, maybe affected for that, and maybe the cause of that problem is your ignition coil. So this is what we call the ignition coil, and maybe the injector, there is injector at the back, or other parts, or maybe sensors. But today I will give you a very simple diagnose to identify if this part is working or not. Okay, so your injector. But before that, so I will give you simple instruction here for your ignition coil. No, sorry, ignition, this is ignition coil. So there are 4 wire here. So this is the B plus 12 volts coming from the battery, and we have the number 2, this one, the white with blue, that is the IGF. Then the number 3, this is what we call the IGT. So since this is number 1, IGT1, so each coil have different IGT, IGT1, IGT2, IGT3, IGT4, because IGT is a signal coming from the ECU, and this is the ground. So we need to know if this line is okay and your ignition is okay, so by using this SST, okay, simple SST to detect the problem. Okay guys, now I simulate a problem. Now if you can hear the sound of the engine, it's already like there's a vibration or rough idling, because it's not clear on the video. But see, the engine is like, the sound is not stable, so meaning there's a problem. So this time I'm gonna show you if this ignition coil is working or not. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll check using this SST. So how you put it like this, is blinking, meaning it's working. Okay, so let's check another one. It's blinking, but when we go to number 2, I simulate a problem here, so no blinking, so meaning that is the area caused the problem. Okay, so we know now in which cylinder having the problem. Like now, and this time, cylinder number 2, ignition coil or the system have the problem, having the problem. So but it's not 100% that we know exactly only this actuator or the ignition coil itself, because there is another in your system, there is a wiring. Okay, so we need also to check. It should be, we will check this one with a multimeter. It should have 12 volts and also have ground, and the IGF have continuity from here to your ECU, and your, especially your IGF, this one, and your IGT 2, because this cylinder number 2 should have continuity to your ECU. So this is the ECU here, so you need to check that one to know exactly where the problem comes from. So at least you make narrow the problem now. You will not check all, you will focus in this area. Okay guys, so thanks for this SST to make your job time short.